Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious black beans. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of dried black beans, 8 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. Rinse the dried black beans thoroughly under cool water, removing any debris. Place the cleaned beans in a large bowl, covering them with at least 3 inches of fresh water. Allow them to soak for 8 hours, or preferably overnight, to soften evenly. After soaking, drain the black beans completely and give them another quick rinse under cool water. Transfer these prepared beans to a large pot or a sturdy Dutch oven. Add about 6 cups of fresh water, ensuring the beans are fully submerged by at least 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a low, gentle simmer. To build amazing flavor, consider adding a bay leaf, 1/2 of a medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic to the pot while simmering. You can also include a teaspoon of ground cumin and a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Stir these in gently. Remember to hold off on adding any salt until the beans are almost tender, as salt can toughen the skins if added too early. Continue to simmer the black beans for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until they reach your desired tenderness. The exact cooking time depends on how well they were soaked and their initial dryness. A perfectly cooked black bean will be soft and creamy when gently squeezed, but it will still hold its shape. If the liquid level gets too low, add a little more hot water to keep them covered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.